All right, it's a little cold out today. As you can tell, I have my jacket and my beanie on. Today I'm talking about RV locks. Now, full disclosure, Onnais came in and gave us several free RV locks, and they also came in and helped sponsor our Romp It Up music festival for RVers in Sonoyta, Arizona, and it helped us raise money to buy toys for kids, and it was great. So we get some families in need, get some toys this year, everybody's happy. We had been looking at RV locks for a while. At some of the RV shows and things like that, we never pulled the trigger. We just basically too lazy. That's the honest truth. And then Onnais reached out and said, hey, we'd love you to review our locks. So we said, you know what? This is karma right here. This is when we're supposed to do it. So we put it on our rig with help from a good friend of mine, Joe. Thanks, Joe. He was actually a locksmith. So it made it easier for me to film this while he kind of installed it, and it was pretty quick. He had to do some modifications. Some of these door entries are a little smaller on our Grand Design Reflection 260RD. It was a little small. Just be aware of that. It may not always fit, and where it didn't fit was when it kind of slid into the side. That's where we had issues. The other thing to keep in mind is on the inside there is this little sliding door right here. Make sure you guys are in frame, or I'm in frame. That cannot be shut when you're going to shut and lock this door, because this guy right here hits that and it blocks it up and it won't allow it to shut. So one of the nicest things about having a remote lock is that a lot of times we'll be around a fire, or we'll run into town, or Jacqueline runs back with somebody else, or I run back with somebody else, and we don't have keys. This way that problem is definitely solved, and then we're not always asking each other for keys, because we have it all coded right here, which is amazing. And it comes with these little dongles, and you open it and you have a key inside. The other thing is it was very easy to program, to put in the new code. They have a code that's built in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. And then we went in and redid the code to our liking, to only what we know. Shh. The other thing I like about this is these guys are actually known for making gun safes and things like that. So they use pretty high quality metal. I'm just gonna pop the door open here real quick and show you. That's all metal. That's not a flimsy little door handle that when you pull on the door, and sometimes you have to pull on them pretty hard because the door gets a little tight in there, and it's amazing how strong that is. So we're past the whole key thing. The other thing too is a lot of the keys have, like for the RVs, there are only so many locks. So you're running around, and if somebody has your key, they can get in your RV, and that's not a good day. We love the convenience of it. We love that they came in and helped us with our event and helped some kids out. All around great. So if you guys are ever in a situation where you're getting tired of maybe getting locked out of your rig, this is the way to go. And we've been using it now for about a week, and we love it. We honestly love it. I don't give incorrect reviews, so if I don't like something, I'll definitely tell you that I don't care for it. The only thing that was tough a little bit was the install, but I think that was because of our door, the opening, and that was an easy fix. So check out the Onnais digital door lock. You'll love it.